Hey there! Welcome to English with Sonic. Let's learn new words, have fun, and get better at English together. Let's go! Tennis court. The rectangular playing area where a tennis match is contested. Sideline. The boundary lines running perpendicular to the net that mark the outer sides of the court. Baseline. The boundary line at the very back of each side of the court, running parallel to the net. Service box. The rectangular area close to the net where a serve must land to be considered legal. Net. The mesh barrier suspended across the exact center of the court that players must hit the ball over. Alley. The extra lanes on each side of the court that are only used during doubles matches. Server, the player who starts the point by hitting the ball into the opponent's service box. Receiver, the player who stands opposite the server. Umpire, the official who sits in a high chair at the center of the net to control the match, call scores, and enforce rules. Ball boy, ball girl. People, often youngsters, who quickly retrieve tennis balls that are out of play and hand them to the players. Scoreboard. The large visual display on or near the court that tracks the current points, games, and sets of the match. Racket. The equipment used by the player to hit the ball, consisting of a handled frame with a word mesh of tightly stretched strings. Grip. The wrapping around the handle of the racket that provides a secure hold. Tennis shoes. Specialized footwear designed with flat, durable soles to provide traction and prevent sliding or marking up the court surface. Tennis bag. A large, often teardrop-shaped bag built specifically to hold multiple racket shoes whose extra athletic gear.
Net. Alley. Racket. Baseline. Scoreboard. Tennis court. Tennis player. Umpire. Tennis ball. Tennis shoes. Trophy.
Great job, everyone! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you don't miss our next English lessons and fun quizzes. See ya!